Hey guys, John here. Welcome to Code at Kwento. So the last time I gave you a glimpse of what we're planning with the place. After about a month and a half, I guess, all the paperwork's done, all the construction's done, and eto na siya ngayon. So this is the place now. As you can see, 90% almost was done. And most of the things na gusto naming mangyari dito sa place or what we're planning with the place happens naman. And yeah, let me show you a quick tour around in this small co-working space that we have. So upon entering, and this is the consignment place. So this is where we have some stuff for sale. Also, if you are an artist or if you do have your products with you, you can ask us to display them here. So ito na rin, since wala pang laman yung ibang shelves. And yung mga collections ko, some of my collections ng Gundam. But yeah, if you want me to create a separate video about them, just let me know. Pero yun nga. So, this is the CR. So, this is the restroom, comfort room. And so, as you can see, spacious naman siya. Hindi ka magiging claustrophobic, especially dun sa mga tao na ayaw ng masikip. Close that. So, wait. Or mini pantry. So, may single light din siya dyan. So, meron kaming oven, coffee maker, some glasses and mugs. And then, yeah, free water, syempre. Hindi ka naman pwedeng mag-work ng walang water. And then, here is our working area. This is the lunch area. So, yan, mga bean bags. You can go here, sit, quick read, take a rest from work, or take some time off of your screen. And then, yan. So, this table here, temporary lang yan. While we are trying to figure out yung perfect na workstations or layout for the workstations. So, ayan. So, currently, dito ako nag-work. Yan, nilagay ko muna yung desktop ko dyan while wala pa yung buong setup ko. But, yeah. This is the place. And so, hopefully, if you're around the area, around Binangonan, Tagpos, even Angono or Taytay, I hope you can visit us, work with us here. You'll be co-working with me actually. I'm here every day. I'm doing my stuff here anyways. We have a couple of few people na nagpupunta na dito on a regular basis. So that's good. Slowly, we're trying to make this thing official. I mean, yung parang mas makilala siya in a mainstream way. Hopefully, to meet other people like us working from home, create some network of people, of awesome people, and to mingle, to remove us from isolation of working from home, but not too far from home, di ba? So, ayun nga, ang kagandahan nito sa place na to, paglabas mo, nandyan lang yung gym sa gilid, kapitbahay namin siya. May beauty clinic sa tabi namin. And then, yung Robinson's Easy Mart na sa baba for some quick groceries. Then, meron din mga foods like Kowloon or Chicken Star if you want a quick snack or pasalubong sa bahay before umuwi. So, the location is great kasi katabi lang siya ng kalsada. Pagbaba mo ng jeep, pagbaba mo ng tricycle, ito na yun. We're just second floor. And yeah, yun nga, this is what we are trying to envision for the longest time. And ayun, nasa katuparan na natin. We made it into a fruition. And yeah, always thankful about this kind of blessings na meron tayo ngayon. And hopefully we can see you around working in the place. Meron kaming high-speed internet, free-flowing coffee, syempre mineral waters on us too. Full air condition, so kung feeling mo mainit sa bahay nyo, hindi ka makapag-concentrate, just go here, work with us, and hopefully makatulong yung space namin for you guys to be more productive, to finish what you have to get done within the day. And yun, ultimately, yun yung pinaka-goal ng place, to help fellow co-working people na ma-accomplish yung mga kailangan nilang gawin with less to no distractions talaga. So yeah, just a quick update on how things were or what we're doing with the place. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Bye!